What's up, guys? Eric here, my buddy John from Crazy Rides Inc. And we have an installation today on your
18 CVO Road Glide.
2018 CVO, which you just got, Road Glide. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these lights on the bags over here to give them additional signal and brake lights. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with these lights is test them before you put them on. So it comes with a module here. These lights are no-name brand. We got them on Amazon. I think they were like $60. They're LEDs, and these are what are on my bike as well. They come with a module here. And what you want to do is test it. So you take off the seat, first of all. Then you plug it into here, the module in here. Okay. And you plug the other part in here. And then the module works for these two lights here. And let's turn on the bike and give a sample what it's going to be. Okay, so we testing them out. Here you go. Let's see the other one. Okay, and they work, so we don't have to send them back.
And then there was light.
Yeah, there was light. So next thing we're gonna do now is remove the bags.
You know, we didn't try to use the brake pedal.
All right, try to brake. There you go. Try the handbrake. Okay. We're in business.
Cool.
All right. So we're going to take off the bags now, and then we're going to wire them up and stick them on. They have a 3M sticker on there already, two-face tape, and we're gonna put them right underneath the lip, like over here. You want to give a little space so the lip of the bag covers aren't touching the top here, or else it's going to be a pain in the ass to close your bags. So we want to give a little leeway so it's an easier close. So we're going to remove the bags now and wire them up. All right. Okay, so what we did was we ran the wire to this side here. Dean's here. Say hello, Dean.
Hello.
Goodbye. And so we ran the wire underneath, took off the cover plate over here, and ran it underneath here. So it comes out. And we're gonna tag it up. We're gonna zip tie it to here. These wires running through. Here's the plug for the light. And that's about it. And we're gonna do the other side. So let's tie this up and put on the light, and we're good to go. All right, so let's clean the bag first with alcohol swab. Okay, we're gonna let that clear up for a second. Then we use this is a skin tack wipe, and what this is extra adhesive to add some extra sticky power to the back of this. So you're going to need a heat gun to take it off.
And don't throw that out when you're done with
Let's
one.
get this a little
I'll
starter.
use it on
here.
my tank. See if that'll hold it up.
So you like that. And when we're done with this, we'll put it back in the sack here. So we'll use it for the other side. So let's see.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, peel the rest of this off. You think right there, right?
I don't know. Why don't
Yeah.
you? Well, I went up to the lid on mine.
Yeah, we don't want to go too high because
No, you want to close the lid.
yeah, you want to close the lid.
Mhm.
So I think right there.
Good.
Yeah, credit card debt, you know.
Looks even.
Yeah, it looks good.
That thing is sticky, boy.
Yeah, it ain't going anywhere.
I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks nice. Matches the pinstripe.
What do you think, John?
Better to be seen.
Looks good.
We don't want it too high because if you got to push the bag down,
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Right.
in a little space there.
Right.
No, it's
Is
fine.
this side a little lower than this side, or is it even?
No, that's even.
It's even?
Yeah,
It's
it goes
the
on
angle you're
even
on.
because
Yeah,
that's
you
the way
can't.
Yeah, yeah. The
you
way it's
can't
shaped.
like
The way
lopside
it's
it,
shaped.
you know. All right, that's done with this. Okay.
How long does it take to dry?
Oh, it's dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't coming off.
All right.
We're not adjusting it.
Good, good.
Okay, so let's just keep this there. Okay, so let's,
How much slack you want to keep in
yeah,
there?
So let's pull this.
Can you hide it in that fender well, like a little bit?
Well,
Like in this?
well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna
Yeah.
strap it to here, the wire over here.
Okay, you got a spot there?
Yeah, so that'll be behind. You're not gonna see it. Let's just- Let's bring this over here. That'll work right there. All right, let's move. Take this off. You got it?
Mhm.
Put it over there.
Just don't clean your back rim, John.
So we're all strapped in over here. There's the plug over there, you could see. And let's turn it on. There you go. Let's hit the brake.
Yep.
Blinker.
Right.
Nice.
Winding.
Okay. So, and we do the other side the exact same way. Take off the bag, run the wire underneath here. Take the plate off over here. If you can see that plate right there. And then run the wire, strap it up, and that's it. So, we'll show you the finished product. Okay, so we finished up here.
Coming right to my head a little
Yeah, I mean, you can
Looks
get.
pretty good. John, turn it on for the folks to see. There we go. Let's hit a blinker. That's cool. Go to the other one. Hit the brake. There you go. All right, cool. All right, so what we did was we had some space over here. There's the module. Just tuck it underneath there, like that. And that's a wrap. Just put on the seat. We're done.
Ready to roll.
We're done. You like them?
Hey, love it, love it. Thank
Awesome.
you. Thank
Got
you.
it. Courtesy of Crazy Rides Inc. Make sure you
Fucking
subscribe.
crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy Riders family. Ride
Yes.
safe.
We're the 4 horsemen.
The route is being
Minus one.
calculated.
Hey, turn that down, will you?
Route's being calculated to Daytona. We're
Yeah.
ready to go.
Daytona Oktoberfest.
Yes.
Yes.
We're back.
All right. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, hit the like button, leave a comment, any questions, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.